Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see the memset function, which is normally used to initialize a region of memory to some known value. Okay, in this tutorial I'm gonna explain the syntax and also how we can use this function. Okay, now we're gonna see the syntax of this memset function. As a parameter to this memset function, we need to pass the pointer of a memory region and then the character to initialize that memory region, and we have to specify how many number of bytes in this memory region to initialize. So this memset function is going to take a region of memory and it's going to initialize the count number of bytes in this memory into the value specified here. And also this memset function is going to return this pointer. Okay, now we're going to see how we can use this function in our program. Okay, now here for the demonstration purpose, what we're going to do is we're going to create an array. So I'm going to create an array and let me call it as data, and let me define a size of 20 bytes, and also this data is of type characters. Okay, the next thing is we're going to use the memset function to initialize all the bytes in this array to a value of null. So I'm going to use memset. It's going to be the array, which is data, next the value, so a null character, and then how many bytes to initialize. So I'm going to say 20. So now it's going to initialize all the bytes to a null value. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to copy this one and paste it in the next line, and we're going to make the first 10 bytes to be initialized to a value of, let's say, a. So I'm going to save this one, and the last thing of this tutorial we're going to do is we're going to print out the contents of that data array. So it's going to be put s and data. Save this, execute, compile and run. You can see here the 10 bytes are initialized to a, and then the remaining bytes are initialized to null value. Okay, this is it guys. This is about the memset function, which is normally used to initialize region of memory. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and if you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate to put a comment in that video. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.